Morning everyone, John from Popeyes Postcards. Going to do our daily What's Sold video. Slow sales day, as you can see on the screen. We're back to the eBay we all know and love with slow sales, at least for postcards anyway. So 19 orders, $142, nothing on hip. Let's go ahead and get into it. It's an advertising postcard, a 1980 Ford Pinto, orange in color. Beautiful car, $299. Next, San Bernardino, California, Fontana's prize-winning Exhibit National Orange Show in 1913. Souvenir mailing card, and that went for $12 on a best offer. Next, New Year, Happy New Year, Father Time, Child Angel, circa 1906 tux. And tux, you can tell by that is not tux. That's the tux trademark, not that. So I don't know what the hell I was thinking there. Anyway, $6.50 for that non-Tuck and Sons postcard. This is Berkeley Springs, West Virginia, drinking spring and bath house. Pretty neat area if you've never been to Berkeley Springs. Pretty cool little town. $9.74 for that one. They have these big Roman bath type things. It's interesting for a day, and there's some good restaurants in town. So I'm not sponsored by the Berkeley Springs Tourist Board, but I'm definitely willing to be. Anyway, $9.75 for that. This is Long Island, New York. And this is Huntington, is the town. Town Hall. This came from a huge Huntington, Long Island postcard collection I bought out one time. It's paid for itself many times over. This one brought in $5.25. Green River, Wyoming, view of town on Union Pacific System. Meat market. So there's that, and there's the back, and $6.99 for that card. Danville, Virginia, Main Street view, large Coca-Cola sign, billboard. This thing is, there's a big hole right there. That's torn through to the other side. Probably just a hard postal cancel there. Card is in rough shape. Has some paper missing. And I just listed it to get rid of it. $1.99. I think I pretty much say that it's a roached out card. Maybe I don't. Yeah, note damage to card. So $1.99. That one usually, I think I just sold that one for around $10 or so. A good copy of it. Chattanooga, Tennessee, the Drake Motel and Restaurant. 1960s. Had that card for probably 8 years or so. $6.99. Selma, Alabama, Church Street Methodist Church, vintage linen. Took a best offer of $5. Next should be another church. It is Selma, Alabama, First Presbyterian Church. Also vintage linen. $5 best offer went to the same buyer. Phillipsburg, New Jersey, Maine, and Sitgreaves. It's a weird name. Trolley car. Looks like it kind of just ends there. Let me see. $10.49 for that card. This is L. Ortiz, Lammy, New Mexico. Fred Harvey card. I'm not sure if that's a hotel. We'll call it a hotel. Hacienda. Yeah, we'll call it a hotel. Anyway, $9.74 Fred Harvey. Did you see the Fred Harvey thing? Right there's Fred Harvey. I'm trying to stretch this video out. Alfred Manzier, anthropomorphic dressed cats, kittens, hospital nurse. It's a linen, but it's probably a 1950s, 60s linen. $6. This is Ontario, Canada, Hanlan's Point, Toronto Island, swimming near Wood Bridge. Came in the auction lot from August to 2021. Had probably 12 of these listed. Buyer bought all 12 of them, and I had 9 more. $249 for that card. We've seen this one before. World War II humor, hot dog stand. $299. Los Angeles, California, Angelus Temple Church, real photo. I think my scanner may have done that. Oh, well, that's not on the postcard itself. It's on the image, on the photo, on the scan. $650. The linen version of this usually sells much better. Postcard, you are and elk, should be Ann. 1910 for turtle. And that went for $15.99. Macon, Georgia, view of Macon's skyscraper and park, vintage linen. And that sold for $8.49. Another one of those World War II humor with shaving the chest hair, beard, tattoo. What is that? $2.99. Alaramba, sure, Alaramba. Ballroom, Crescent Park, Riverside, Rhode Island. Have a whole stack of these. First one of these that's sold in probably 3 years. We'll call it 3 years. $3.49 for that card. And that was looking for Tuck's trademark. So that's it. There's Tuck's trademark again. Yeah, slow day, back to where it was before I did the end and relist and the auctions. I just got to get my ass in gear and get some stuff listed. I've been doing the aviation cards is what I've been kind of concentrating on. But I need to concentrate back on my main store too. Okay, that's it. 19 orders, $142. Hope your sales were much more gooder. Thanks for watching.